Welcome back to Grammar Minute, your go-to spot for spending a few minutes and learning essential grammar. Today we're going to learn about distributives in English grammar, with a special focus on both, either and neither. Are you ready? Let's go.
You can take either the red or the blue pen, but not both. The show was cancelled because both of the performers were sick. The cake is too sweet, so neither of us wanted a second slice. The cookies are burnt. Neither of them is edible. They looked at both each other and smiled. Would you like either tea or coffee? Both roads are blocked due to the construction, so you have to find another route. The movie was so boring that both of us fell asleep halfway through. The meeting can be scheduled for either Monday or Tuesday, depending on your availability. The restaurant is closed, so neither of us could get food. Either the red shirt or the blue shirt would look great on you. Neither of them went to the concert because they couldn't get tickets. You can choose either pizza or pasta for dinner. The weather was so bad that both flights were cancelled. The two players are very talented. Either could win the match. Neither of the proposals met the client's expectations, so we have to make revisions. Both John and Mary are coming to the party, so we'll have a great time. I can help you with either math or science, but not both. Neither the manager nor the assistant was available for the meeting. Neither of them can drive, so they'll need to take the bus.
How's your score? Feeling proud of yourself? Well done! Here's the tip for you if you still have some problems. Take a good look at this simple guide and you'll have no problem using it next time. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Grammar Minute. Drop your comment below and thank you for watching.